Hey ladies, welcome back to my channel. We are back with another wig install, and today's wig is actually from Amazon. The brand's name is called Original Queen, and this is their wear and go glueless 6x4 pre-cut, pre-bleached, pre-plucked lace closure wig. You guys, it does come with these beautiful wand curls in the wig already, which is great. I have it in 26 inches and in 180% density. As usual, I gave you guys a quick unboxing, so I'm gonna give you some close-ups of the wig here. Once again, this texture is a nice wand curl texture. It comes with these curls already done for you, which is great. Having a wig that comes already styled is great. Now the lace is a 6x4 pre-cut, pre-plucked, and pre-bleached lace. Now they are considering this lace to be pre-bleached, but in my personal opinion, she's definitely a lot more on the transparent side, so you will see that she shows up a little white on me. Now the wig cap, as you guys can see, is a nice dome cap, and yes, she has the adjustable elastic band for a nice glueless wig install. So I'm going to give you guys some more close-ups, of course. Now this is a 6x4 lace closure, as I mentioned before. Once again, they do consider it to be pre-bleached for you. However, it's showing up really transparent on my skin tone, so we're definitely going to have to add some foundation on her to blend her in. So I'm going in with the cream foundation, and I'm just going to put that all over the lace as much as I can. Then I will be adjusting the adjustable strap and just throw the wig right on. Now that the wig is nice and secure, I'm going in with my wax stick, and I will be using my hot comb as well, just to really set the part in place, get all of the hair away from the lace. That way I can really see what she is looking like. I will be adding a little bit more foundation on her because, as you can see, she's a little too noticeable right now. Okay, so far so good. So now I'm gonna go in with a lighter foundation and add it to the middle part. A lighter foundation kind of gives the look of your natural scalp, so that's what I'm doing here. Now, even though I'm sticking with the middle part, you guys, you will see that there is a lot of lace room regarding this wig unit, so you can do a nice side part if you choose to, and you guys will see that right here, because I like to go in with the method of making sure the very top of my wigs is laying extremely flat. So I will be going in section by section, so as I'm doing this, just pay attention to the lace. As you can see, you do have room to do a nice side part if you would like. Okay, this one side is finished. Now, do you guys see the difference? You can definitely tell that one side is a lot more flatter than the other side, so I like to do that method on each one of my wigs. So I went ahead and did the other side off camera, and as you guys can see, the hair is a lot more frizzy now, mostly because I'm over here fixing up the hair, trying to get, you know, the wig to lay flat, etc. So I'll definitely put the blame on myself. But I did realize that even though I kind of messed up some of the curls a little bit, I didn't really have to go in and redo the entire wig unit because, again, she did come really nicely styled. So all I had to do was really fix the top half. So I went in with my wax stick and also my curling wand to just touch up some of those pieces. Okay, so far so good. That was real quick and easy. You guys see the difference? Yeah, I definitely really needed to touch up some of those pieces, but she came looking out brand new, okay? So I did the other side off camera, and as you guys can see, the hair is giving shine. She's giving bounciness. It's looking really pretty. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and separate some of those wand curls. Now this is completely optional. It really depends on how full you want their hair to look. Some girls, when they do wand curls, they want the tight curls, they want the definition there. Some girls like it to be a little bit more medium. They want a lot more density there, but they still want you to see the curls. And some girls just fully go all out and run their finger through each and every curl. I'm a middle girly. I want you to see the curls, but I also want a lot of density as well. So that's what I'm showing you guys here. Just be careful. Do not re-frizz up the hair. You can also add a little bit of oil on your hands if you need to, just to kind of calm down some of the frizz. Or you could go in with your wax stick like I do and just touch up some of the pieces. But that's all I really had to do, and she came out super pretty. Hey ladies, and we are finished. Look how beautiful this hair came out. I really love the fact that they send you the wig styled, and you guys saw, even though I had to touch up a couple of pieces, it was real quick, real simple, real easy. I don't have any complaints when it comes to the hair quality in itself. The hair was really nice and shiny and full and bouncy. The only thing that I will argue about is that the lace was a little bit more on the transparent side, but again, it's extremely important to make sure you add some foundation on that just to calm that down. But that's literally all I had to do, you guys. Make sure you check out the description box down below. The direct link to this wig unit will be listed there. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I will see you guys next time.